Okay, Mr. and Miss, this is our topic today. Topiknya tentang problem with comparative and superlative. This part will be divided into three. Ada skill 27, bentuk form and comparative and superlative correctly. Terus di skill 28, nantinya ada use the comparative and superlative, and di skill 29 ada use the irregular ER dan ER structured correctly. This is our skill 27. In the skill 27, we have form comparative and superlative correctly. Yang ini superlative. Ya. Untuk yang comparative dan superlative correctly, ya, kita punya susunannya nih, Miss dan Mister. Untuk yang bagian komparatif, nah, biasanya yang akan dipakai sebagai penandanya adalah more plus than or er plus than. Nah, yang more itu untuk long adjective atau lebih dari satu sound. Jadi kalau misalnya dia lebih dari, makanya er. Lebih dari satu bunyi kayak beautiful. So you cannot choose beautifuler, but to use beautiful. Yang short adjective, kalau misalnya dia pendek, kayak satu sound, satu bunyi, bisa bilang kayak taller, short, shorter, oleh tambahnya er, dan nantinya akan diikuti dan untuk perbandingannya. Untuk superlatif, nah dia nanti dimulai dengan kata the, terus diikuti most. Untuk kata sifat yang lebih dari dua bunyi, terdiri dari dua bunyi kayak hmm, yes, I just have a beautiful in my mind in this type, but we will see in other words. Kalau yang pendek-pendek, yang kayak shorter, apalagi ya faster is only one. Jadi kalau misalnya dia fast, jadinya fastest. Jadi tetap ada kata the dengan bunyi is atau most. Okay. Let's see the examples here. These are example for the comparative one. Ini example untuk komparatif. Nah, di example untuk komparatif ini ada dua, ada Bob is taller than Ron. Yang ininya taller er. Karena dia short adjective, maksudnya katanya bunyinya pendek, tidak lebih dari satu. So, all must be plus er, jangan lupa dengan dan-nya. Nah, ini mengcompare dari misalnya dari si Bob dengan si Ron, compare-nya satu-satu. Kalau satu banding satu, boleh Bob dengan Ron. Berikutnya dengan Sally is more beautiful than Sharon. Dia compare antara Sally dengan Sharon. Dia compare-nya sama juga. Antara si satu dengan si dua. Si cewek itu dengan si cewek ini. Dengan kata komparatif yang dia pakai adalah more karena dia menggunakan busy. So it's more than one sound. So you can set up beautiful, beautiful. We could use more. Jangan lupa pakai that untuk perbedaannya. Jadi yang ini the example for the comparative one. And let's see the comparative of the superlative. Sorry, the superlative sentence. Nah, yang ini Bob is kita makanya the tallest man in the room. Okay. Maybe ada in of dan that ikuti terus. Bob is the tallest man in the room. It means Bobby yang paling tinggi di antara semuanya di dalam ruangan itu. Jadi tidak satu-satu, dia satu ke banyak orang. Satu ke banyak orang. Si Bob ke banyak orang. Jadi nggak ada tandingannya. Is it a superlative one? Pokoknya kalau dia tidak, maksudnya dia satu lawan banyak, I usually make a something, I usually make a things like that for make it sure and make it easy to remember the rules. Pokoknya satu lawan banyak itu superlatif, super super. Sally is the most beautiful of. Okay, Sally adalah the most beautiful of all of the women at the party. Jadi di compare antara si Sally dengan banyak orang. Makanya si Sally ini jadi kayak super banget. Super is the most beautiful of. Karena perbandingannya banyak, bukan hanya satu. Dia membandingkan dengan seluruhnya dan dia adalah yang paling. Kalau ini tertinggi, tercantik, berarti masih ada nih. Kalau dikatakan paling, oh sorry, yang ini lebih cantik daripada, sorry, lebih cantik daripada. Kalau yang ini paling, atau tercantik. Yang jelas paling deh paling, yang satunya lebih. Yang bagian komparatif itu lebih, lebih apa, titik-titik dari. Sementara kalau yang bagian superlatif itu paling apa dia, atau ter apa. The spider over there is the largest one that I have ever seen. Yang paling besar saya lihat. Yang paling besar yang pernah saya lihat. And then the next, we have the fastest runner wins the race. Oke, karena ini dia pakainya no in, of, or that. Maksudnya tidak pakai ini. Karena kan di sini dia pakainya maybe bisa diikuti in, of dengan that. Tapi di sini ada dicontohkan bahwa ada beberapa kondisi yang dia nggak apa-apa nggak nih. The fastest runner wins the race. Maksudnya the fastest paling. Ini dia. Okay, about the comparative, kalau misalnya Bob is taller among his friend, itu bisa nggak? I don't think so. We usually use comparative kalau misalnya dia satu-satu. Biasanya seperti itu. Is it okay for the minute? But I guess it's broke the rules. Kayaknya dia broke the rules karena mestinya satu-satu. Kalau dia compare sudah ke banyak orang, dia mestinya larinya ke paling. Pipa yang paling. Okay. Uh, let's try to see the exercise 27. And number one, oxygen is abounded here. Okay, then nitrogen. Is it must be moved ER-nya. Tidak perlu ER-nya karena dia dua. Bunyinya jadi dua, about, belum. Kecuali cuma satu. Nah, ini Miss dan Mister boleh tambahkan is more. Is more abundant than nitrogen. That's why number one is incorrect. Let's see number two. The direction of the exercise to say choose the most appropriate response. Okay. The direction to the exercise mengatakan to choose the most appropriate response. Yang paling cocok. Di antara banyak berarti kan yang paling cocok di antara responsnya. Paling cocok. Berarti bukan hanya satu. Mungkin ada lebih dua atau tiga. Dicari yang paling, yang tercocok. That's number two. Let's see number three. The lessons you are studying now is the most important lesson that you will have. What about this part? Would you like to say, is it correct or incorrect, Miss and Mister? Come on. Okay, Mr. Eddie said, is it incorrect? What about another one? One. Okay. Right, Mr. Eddie and Mr. Lukman. Number three, the lessons you are studying now are the most important lessons that you will have. Let's remove ES here. Karena juga dia double. Selain dia terdiri lebih dari satu bunyi, dia important. Is it contain three. The most itu temannya ini. Kalau tidak pakai the most, boleh pakai the plus es. Jadi kalau sudah begini, that's why. Double-double. Dan juga bukan tempatnya. Sehingga mestinya hilang. Harusnya the lesson you are studying now is the most important lesson that you will have. Let's see number 4. Fashions this year are shorter and more colorful than they were last year. Shorter. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. There is no mistake in this sentence. Shorternya itu comparative. Terus more colorfulnya juga comparative. And then what else? Dia punya kata bukan dua ya, Kak. Tadi yang di compare fashion yang tahun ini sama fashion yang tahun lalu. Let's move to number 5. The professor indicates that Anthony's research. Oh, the professor indicated that Anthony's research paper was more long than the other students' paper. Then the other students' paper. Okay, what about number 5? Yeah, I found it. Okay. Except Mr. Eddie said incorrect. Thank you so much, Mr. Uus. So, must be longest. But kalau dia longest, harusnya yang hilang adalah Ya, kalau mau pakai longest berarti dia nggak boleh pakai more. Tapi, um, see this one. We have then here. Jadi kalau misalnya ini incorrect ya. Kita taruh dulu. Ini incorrect. The professor indicated the Anthony research paper was, you can say that longest, tapi hilang kata then-nya. Tapi kalau mau pakai longest, mestinya the longest paper. If you use then, if you put then there, kalau ada kata then di sana, you may use longer here. Karena kalau mau diganti, ya, kalau longer yang masuk, dia jadinya the professor indicated that Anthony's research paper was longer than the other students' paper. Lebih panjang daripada the others teman-temannya students' paper. Because if we use the longest or no the longest, we must be put then I guess ya di sini boleh. That's why. Do you have another idea? The older students is older students paper. Yes, I think so. Kayaknya memang jamak banyak orang. But is it still compared to the paper, I guess? If we must be used longest, jadinya di ordernya nggak usah dimunculkan. The professor indicated that Anthony research paper was the longest paper. So it's okay. Or we can change this one. Kalau misalnya tidak agak aneh ya. The professor indicated that Anthony research paper was the longest. It's okay. Jadi the other students papernya nggak usah nggak apa-apa. Atau mau pakai off karena kalau superlatif boleh pakai of the students papers of the other students paper, it's okay. Boleh. Yang nomor 5. Let's see number 6. Alaska is the coldest is the coldest then. Yes. Okay. We should not use then. Alaska is the coldest of boleh off ya. Yeah. Alaska is the coldest of all the states in the United States. Number 6. Number 7, the workers on the day shift are more rested than the workers on the night shift. What about number 7? Mister. Number 7. The workers on the day shift are more rested. Lebih banyak istirahat daripada the workers on the night shift. What about this one? Is it correct? Okay. Mr. Lukman said correct and Mr. Eddie said incorrect. Okay. But we already used more. Kalau kita pakai more, kita nggak boleh pakai IR. Kalau nggak pakai IR, berarti dia harusnya more. That's why. Okay. Rester. All right. I would like to invite Mr. Short. Yeah. Rest, right? Yes, of course. Let's invite Mr. Eddie first. Come on, Mr. Eddie.
Okay, thank you, Miss. I think for this sentence, it is most suitable if we use rester rather than more rested because it just short adjective. So we only put er in the finishing or in the di akhir apa, Miss?
At the end. The
At the
end.
end
Oh,
of the word. So thank you.
yeah. Thank you so much. Oh ya, ini namanya istilahnya suffix. Suffix sama prefix. Kalau prefix itu awalan in English, kalau yang akhiran atau imbuhan biasanya bilangnya suffix. Jadi maksudnya suffixnya atau imbuhannya mestinya er karena dari kata rest, right? Okay. But I would like to invite Mr. Lukman first. Okay, Mr. Lukman, would you like to give us the reason why you said it's correct? Come on.
Sebenarnya belum bisa bedain ini, Miss. Kapan dia short adjective atau long adjective. Jadi
Ya,
kayaknya dari telinga enaknya belum pernah denger rester, jadi pilih mau rested aja.
okay. But ya, oke. Masuk akal sih, Mister. Iya, karena cuma satu ya, bunyinya cuma sekali. Tapi kalau misalnya dia, em, ini yang bikin kadang kita bingung, Mister. Kalau dia rest aja, dia jadinya kan ini, jadinya dia apa namanya? Jadinya dia kata kerja kalau dia cuma rest. Tapi ketika dia jadinya rested, dia bisa jadi pas participle dan pas participle bisa bersifat adjektif. Nah, itu dia. Jadi it's okay kalau dia misalnya pakainya rest, kata awalannya dia rest, tapi bersifat kata kerja. Nah, sementara kalau yang dipakai di komparatif sama superlatif itu harusnya adjektif. Maka diambillah pas participle-nya. Kalau misalnya kita hilangkan komparatifnya, kalimatnya jadi the worker on the day shift are rested. Right? Are-nya verb, terus rested-nya jadi adjektif. Diistirahatkan. That's why. Tapi kalau ini jadinya ER, iya juga kayak tadi. Misalnya rest aja, tapi kalau rest dia bukan adjektif. Sehingga kalimat ini dinilai benar. Yang membuat dia benar bunyinya jadi rested. Katanya kembali rested. Rested yang menjadi adjektifnya. Kita nggak boleh pakai ER. Karena kalau ER, kata utamanya kan rest. Sementara ini kata utamanya memang rested. Rested. Dua. Jadi di sini dia nilainya adjektif. Kelas katanya dia jadi adjektif. That's why number 7 itu the correct one. Mr. Miss, ini yang membuat TOEFL kadang tricky kelihatannya. Kelihatannya bisa pakai IR, tapi ternyata begitu masuk dia jadinya pakai past participle. Jadi nilainya adjektif. That's why in number 7 is the correct one. Jadinya tetap adjektif. Ya, Kalau caranya bedain dengan yang bentuknya berubah itu gimana, Miss? Contohnya good jadi better atau best. Oh, I have the trick for this one. We will discuss about it at the end of our meeting. Yes, I have something good for this one because the first time I learned it, I also confused about it, and there is no one can tell me how to remember it well. So I try to find out a way how I can understand it, even if I didn't have another one to ask, because I'm not really good and remember or memorize something. So I find a good ways to do that. We will share at the end. Let's answer number 8. She was more happier this morning than she had been yesterday. She was more happier. Happy. Happy. She more happier this morning than she had been yesterday. She was more happier. That's more happier again. Okay. Good job, Mr. Lukman. We couldn't use more karena happy itu sudah adjective. Berarti boleh pakainya happier aja. The was happier. She was happier this morning than she had been yesterday. Happy, happy. Are you agree? Happy is only one. More happy. Happier. Happy. I guess happy is more than one. No, I guess it's happier. Kalau dia pakai more, at least is it incorrect? Kalau dia pakai more nggak usah pakai ir. Kalau dia pakai ir dia nggak usah pakai more. Tapi kalau pakai more mestinya pakai than. Iyalah, ir juga mestinya pakai than. Yang jelas cuma satu. More ini kan ujung-ujungnya juga ir. More ini ri ini jadinya ir. Maksudnya dia itu maknanya sama, fungsinya sama. Jadi kalau sudah ada satu nggak usah yang di belakangnya. Is it the easiest way to remember supaya nggak ketukar? Pokoknya cuma boleh satu. Kalau nggak more ir. Nomor 9, the quarterback on this year football team is more versatile than the quarterback on the last year team. Yes. What about you, Miss Anissa? I decided number 9 is the correct one. But how about your opinion? Okay. Yes, number 9 is correct. There is no something we need to change. The last number, she always tries. Adverb, kata kerja. She always tries to do the best. And most efficient job that she can do. What about number 10? Mr. Eddie decided number 10 is the correct. And also Mr. Lukman, yes. He doesn't need something to change, right? Everything is good. To do the best and most efficient. Most efficient, ya. Tidak pakai dan. Terus ada that. Okay, aman. That's all for your number. Exercise 27. Let's see the next skill. Mana lewat banyak. Nah ini dia. Ini penggunaan Komparatif dan superlatif. Taruhnya di sini. Comparative is used to compare two equal things. Puji pakainya equal things itu yang satu-satu. Kalau makanan, makanan. Kalau kalau kursi ke kursi. Kalau human ke human. This is the assumptions that the conclusions that I make for make myself easily to remember it. Karena dulu I really difficult to understand both of them. Tapi kalau super berarti itu dia paling super, nggak ada tandingannya. When there are more than two items to compare, kalau dia lebih dari 2 item untuk di compare, and you want to show the one is the best, the one is the biggest, or in some way the most outstanding. Nah itu dia. Kalau misalnya dia kalau satu-satu ya aman. Kalau lebih dari satu, terus yang paling-paling, yang ter. This is the exercise for this part. Number 1, Harvard is probably the most prestigious university in the United States. Is it okay? And number 2, Rhonda is more hardworking of the class. Oke. Rhonda adalah yang paling kerja keras di dalam kelas. Berarti si Rhonda ke banyak orang. Kenapa kalau pakai more berarti mestinya ada then-nya, Mister. Mister. Jadi kalau Rhonda is example is. Tapi kalau untuk semua banyak orang berarti mestinya dia uh, the or more most. Superlatif pakainya the hardest. The hardest worker pakai of the class. I guess this one. Rhonda is the hardest karena kan dia banyak temen yang di compare ke banyak orang ke yang di dalam kelas. The hardest nggak mungkin worker. Nggak mungkin working, paling worker. The hardest worker, orang yang paling bekerja keras dari kelasnya adalah kelas. Has it. Number 3, the engineers hired this year have more experience than those hired last year. More, yeah. What about this one? Yes. Number C, is it good? We didn't need to compare anything. We didn't need to correct anything. Number 4, the graduate assistant informed us that the first exam is the most difficult of the two. The graduate assistant informed us that the first exam pertama itu, okay. What about number 4, Miss and Mister? Of the. Okay. Yes. Number 4 is it C? Graduate assistant tell us the first exam pertama itu lebih susah dari of the two yang berikutnya. he bought the more powerful stereo speaker that he could find. Kenapa nggak the second, Miss? It means ini the two yang kedua atau lebih yang berikutnya, yang setelahnya. That's why they didn't say the second one. Kalau dia bilang the second berarti yang kedua. Tapi karena dia maksudnya tuh di situ, saya maknai dia lebih, bukan yang kedua, tapi lebih dua, yang lebih banyaknya gitu. How to say that? Lebihnya. Boleh dari keduanya. Ya, Mister, thank you so much, Mister Eddie. Pokoknya dia kalau the second sambungannya the first. Cuman karena itu kan dua. Maksudnya habis ini ada lagi, berikutnya ada lagi. Number 5. Let's say the both the power the both the more powerful stereo speaker. Oh, he bought the more powerful stereo speaker. What about number 5? If we find out the more here, it means we need then. But there is no then in this sentence. Dia membeli stereo lebih powerful daripada, I guess we need to change that. Jadi then he could find. Yes. Oke. Ini boleh jadi then daripada yang dia dapatkan sebelumnya. Okay, number 6. The afternoon seminar was much more interesting. Interesting is an adjective here. More interesting than the morning lecture. What about number 6? Is there something mistake? No. Yeah. There is no something mistake in number 6. Let's move to number 7. The food in this restaurant is the best of the restaurant visit last week. The food in this restaurant, makanan dengan is the best. Okay, I guess something wrong. Yeah, but is there anyone who want to share how to make it correct this sentence? Number 7. The food in the restaurant, is it okay? Yang membingungkan yang setelahnya Miss dan Mister. Ada yang mau share? Is the best something. I guess we need adjective after the best. Or maybe the best adjective, the best food. The food in this restaurant is the best food of the restaurant we visited last week. Okay, at least the sentence is not good because the best ini mestinya harus ada the best apa begitu. Number 8. Masa the best dari restoran? The plants, number 8. The plants that have been sitting in the sunny window are far healthier than the other plants. What about number 8? The plants that have been sitting in the sunny window are healthier than other plants, I guess. Lebih sehat, lebih sehat, lebih sehat. Ya, bukan berarti yang lain nggak sehat. Yes, is it the correct one? Okay. Number 9, the photocopies are the darkest that they ever been. Okay. Mestinya kalau yang superlatif ikutnya on, off, sama that. What about this one? Is it correct or not for number 9? Kalau yang then itu buat komparatif. Number 9 is, yay, yeah. Number 9 is correct. Yes, thank you so much, Mr. The last one, the first journal article is the longest of the second article, one by one. Ya, yes, Mister. Harusnya komparatif satu-satu. Jadi biasanya kadang-kadang ada juga yang kayak ini lebih sehat daripada plants yang lainnya. Tapi bukan berarti yang lainnya itu nggak sehat. Tapi dia compare dengan yang lain. Tapi kalau dibilang paling sehat, it's not really appropriate, right? Tapi is it work? Tapi yang satu-satu, maksudnya satu-satu itu work. Walaupun ada beberapa yang kayaknya aneh, tapi ya it really work. Okay. This is the next one, the last part. Skill 29, use the irregular ER or ER structure quickly. Two parallel comparatives introduced by using the on the TOEFL test. Let me make it smaller. I already buy the must be italic. So parallel komparatif yang kayak kemarin satu sentence yang lainnya kayak gitu. Frasa satu, frasa lain itu dimulai dengan kata the, artikel the di dalam TOEFL test. Misalnya nih. Ini Mister kecilan. The harder he tried, the further he fell behind. Ini aman, strukturnya mantap. The harder, komparatifnya, terus masuk the further-nya. Ini subject, ini verb. Ini subjeknya, ini verbnya. Behind-nya preposition, it's okay. Behind is the preposition. And then the older the children are. The older, masuk the children noun, subjeknya ini verb. Ini the more their parents, pakai subjeknya, expect pakai verbnya, dan seterusnya. Jadi subjek verbnya aman. Ini dia menghubungkan the older sama ER-nya sama the more. Tapi awalnya kata the, diawali dengan the. The, entah itu ER atau more, terus harus sama strukturnya subject verb. Dan ini juga di ER. Kalau bukan subject verb, apakah dia noun? Terus berarti temannya sebelah diikuti noun juga. Ini noun, ini kata kerja. Ini noun, ini kata kerja. Gitu. In this type of sentence, the and the comparison can be followed by a number of different structure. Oke, maksudnya structure-nya boleh beda-beda, tapi tetap seias kata. The more children you have, the more childrennya noun, terus ini juga kembali subjeknya, terus verb. Ini the house, terus ini subjeknya, terus ini masuk verbnya. The harder you work, oke, ini langsungnya subjek. Terus masuknya verb. Yang jelas dia masih sama section. Yang ini nggak ada subjek, nggak ada apa-apa. The greater the experience itu noun, the higher the salary juga noun. Yang penting seperti itu. This type of sentence may or may not include by a verb. Boleh tidak pakai verbnya. This is the exercise 29. Number 1, the hotter the food is harder it is to eat. Use the irregular. Semakin. Iya, semakin. Boleh, Sir. Use the regular. Saya jadi ingat lagu. Okay. Yes, that's good, Mr. Lukman. Semakin the hotter the food is something harder it is to eat. Yang nomor 1 itu tidak paralel karena tidak iya. Ini pakai the, di sini kehilangan the. Okay, that's why you need to put the in front of the harder. Harusnya pakainya the. Harusnya. Nomor 2, the warmer the weather, the greater the attendance at the other concert. Maksudnya the warmer terus noun, the greater terus noun. Yang di belakang ini preposition. Number 3, the more you say, the more you say. Worse. It's not worst. The more you say, the something the situation will be. Are you sure it will be worse or worse? Bentuk komparatif apa bentuk superlatif? Yeah, it doesn't say. Yes. Good job. Thank you so much, Mr. Uus. Mr. Uus langsung dengan penjelasannya incorrect, Miss. Soalnya satu komparatif, satu superlatif. Jadi strukturnya tidak seia sekata. Sebenarnya kalau mau diganti ini jadinya worse. W, worse. Yang ini. The more you say, the worse the situation will be. Number 4. The more time they have to play, the happier the children are. More time. What about number 4? Is there something to want to answer number 4? Yes, we didn't need to change anything, number 4. untuk Mr. Miss. Aman ya. Number 5, the thicker, tebal. The thicker the walls, the noise, tipis. The thicker the walls, the noise that comes through is less. Oh, I get it. What about number 5, Miss and Mister? Do you have idea? Sebenarnya itu mah pindah. Oke, boleh. Alright. Boleh atau yang lesser yang pindah kayaknya. Ntar. Okay. I would like to invite first Mr. Uus. Mr. Uus, would you like to share with us how to make it correct, the sentence? Or why the sentence is incorrect? Okay. The noiser. Okay. You would the thicker the wall, the noiser. Okay. Kita simpan dulu ya. Soalnya saya simpannya di sini. The noiser. All right. Now I would like to invite Mr. Eddie first. Mr. Eddie, would you like to share to us why you decided number 5? Is that incorrect?
Yes, I think it's more suitable if we change the sentence to the thicker the walls, the less noise that comes through gain
Yes,
atau
I
that
guess.
comes from.
Yeah. I also think like that. Yang lesnya itu harusnya pindah ke depan. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Eddie. Now I would like to invite Mr. Lukman. Mr. Lukman, what about you, sir?
Yes, I think it's need the comparative, so in the nicer, but because the first sentence just what just object the walls, so in the next sentence it's not is
Oke, ya.
nggak butuh verb.
Iya, kalaupun butuh enggak perlu sebenarnya ya, Mister. Oke, at least this is incorrect. Nomor 5 itu incorrect. Menurut Puji mestinya iya, dia nggak butuh benar. Menurutnya kita nggak butuh ini ya, karena kan nggak ada di depannya. Terus less ini, kalau kita mau ikutin bentuknya, kalau ini the thicker, terus the walls itu bentuk nounnya. Kalau the noise-nya jadi noun, ini kayaknya bisa the lesser, but I'm not sure ada lesser tidak, lebih lebih apa ya, semakin rendah maybe, semakin rendah atau semakin semakin kurang, but I'm not sure. Setidaknya ada sesuatu yang di plus er sebelum the noisy, atau boleh pakai the noiser, the sound. Okay, it's okay. The noiser, the sound that comes through, or the noiser, the sound comes, and so on. Yang jelas harus ada the plus er di depannya. Baik, that's all. Number 6, if you run faster, the earlier you arrive. Oh iya, ya, ya. That's why ini kayak pokoknya ini kalau diperbaiki mestinya ada plus the noiser boleh, the noiser, tapi pakai lagi the sound misal, karena kan dia ada kata benda setelahnya. Setelah er-nya ada kata benda. Berarti kalau kita jadikan noisernya sebagai regular er-nya, mestinya harus ada benda setelah itu. Number 6, if you run faster, come on, Miss and Mister, the earlier You will arrive. Number 20, April 29, number 6. If you run faster. What about this sentence? I'm not, okay. Oh, we have two different answer. Antara Mr. Randy sama Mr. Lukman. Okay, is there anyone else who want to decide if the number 6 is correct or not? Yes. Okay, ada yang bilang incorrect, ada yang bilang correct. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. I would like to invite Mr. Randy first. Mr. Randy, would you like to share with us? Okay. Hmm. Okay. Mr. Randy? Yeah. Let's say this is incorrect. Yang pertama, karena structure-nya tidak sama. Kalau di depannya earlier, mestinya the faster di depan. The faster terus masuk di you, terus boleh kata kerja. Nah, kalimat ini mesti dirombak. Tapi rombaknya Mister boleh misalnya the faster di depan, terus the faster you run, if-nya hilangkan nggak apa-apa, karena kan memang nggak ada ya. The faster you run, the earlier you will arrive. That's all. Number 7, let's see. The more you use the font, the higher the bill will be. Okay, what about number 7? Do you think is it correct? The more you use the font, the higher the bill itu jadi subjek ya di situ. Okay, Miss and Mister. Let's say that. All right, Mr. Eddie first. Mr. Eddie, would you like to share to us why you decided number 7? Is it correct?
Yes, I think it is a correct sentence because the structure is the same and the meaning is also I mean is okay too.
Yeah, I mean
There is
meaningful.
nothing wrong in this sentence. I mean, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Even if the bill, walaupun the bill ini kayak tricky ya, but I guess so. The bill is the subject. The more you is the subject and verb, and after that we have subject also will be as a verb. I guess, yeah. I decided number 7 also see. Let's miss and Mister to put the focus into number 8. The harder you serve, the easier it's to win the pie. Okay, what about number 8? Is it yes or not? But I guess there's something wrong. Semakin you serve. So, yes, I guess is it correct? What about Miss and Mister? Number 8. Okay, Mr. already said it isn't correct. User, it is too. Okay, is there another one? Do you have something to say, number 8, Miss and Mister? Okay, only Mr. Eddie. Mr. Eddie. Sir. Come on, sir. Number 8.
Yeah, I think
Uh,
yes, for this example, I think it's too much more subject. I think the subject is you. That so the sentence is the harder you serve, the easier to win the point. I think is enough. So if there is it is word behind in that sentence, I think is make complicated word maybe.
Yeah, it's okay. Alright, karena win-nya ya. But my opinion, this is the correct one. Tapi memang it-nya ini kalau misalnya mau diganti you juga boleh lebih bagus. Tapi nggak perlu pakai is. Kalau hilang is-nya, hilang to-nya, win boleh. Jadi kata kerjanya, you win the point. It's okay. But as far as I know, the sentence can be correct. The harder subjeknya, terus verbnya, masuk komparatifnya, masuk di subject, masuk di verb. To win the point, is it a to infinitive? That's why. If you ask me, I decided number 8. Is it correct? But what about another one? Yang lain gimana nih? Mr. Edi mau rombak. Kalau rombak gak apa-apa, Mister. Kalimatnya bisa benar kalau begitu. You-nya pakai, is sama to-nya hilang, it-nya juga hilang. Langsung you win the point. It's might be good. Nomor 8 itu subjeknya pertama subjek verb. Iya, tapi subjek kedua subjek verb objek itu boleh. Boleh. Oke, gak apa-apa. To infinitive yang berikutnya. Ini kayaknya, ini bukan, gimana ya? Ini bukan objeknya, tapi it's like a the complement. Yeah, I guess is it correct? Yuk kita correct ya buat nomor 8. Karena kalau structure dia aman, terus masih oke lah, masih aman. Number 9. The earliest you send in your text form, the sooner you will receive your refund. What about this one, number 9? Number 9 is it? Okay. Number 9 is correct. The earliest you, the sooner. Okay, this one is it in. Karena yang bagian depan ada IS, sementara yang di belakang Miss dan Mister dapatnya sooner. Sebenarnya the earlier you send, and so on. Tapi kalau masuk earlier, kayak semakin lebih dulu, semakin cepat, semakin, yeah, that's all. At least the structure, it isn't good. They didn't support each other. Number 10, the more people that are at the party. What about number 10, Miss and Mister? It's so much easy. But the more people, ya, nggak ada. Ya, must be iya. Nggak ada ininya, nggak ada bentuk IR-nya setelah itu. Time is it? Okay, 12, don't worry. We still have around 15 minutes. I prepared this for all of you, Miss and Mister. Number 1, 2, and 3 for the multiple choice. And then we have number 4 to number 10. This one. The speed of light. Oh, ini yang superlatif komparatif yang tadi. Skillnya use superlatif komparatif, terus use superlatif dengan komparatif correctly, dan yang terakhir adalah ER, regular ER. The speed of light is something something the speed of sound. What about number 1? Okay. Okay. Kalau Mr. Lukman number one-nya B. Saya taruh ya. Tebar ke bareng, Mister. Number one-nya B. What about another one? Mana nih Mr. Randy? Mr. Randy yuk. Is there another one? Masih ada Mr. Much faster. The speed light is faster, as fast as not. Kecepatan cahaya lebih cepat dibanding suara. Much faster than, yes, I guess. Hanya ini yang masuk di faster, karena kalau faster mestinya pakai dan, nggak boleh the fastest, karena satu-satu. As a fast, we don't have a rules like that. Okay. Number one, is it B? What about number two? The use of detail is something more common, most common, the most common method of. Yay. Yang pakai of berarti gak usah mikir-mikir, Mister. Pokoknya yang pakai of berarti superlatif. Kalau superlatif mestinya ya mantep. The most common. Yang superlatif mestinya di yang superlatif kan. Pokoknya kalau ada of something atau that atau on, dah, cari aja yang superlatif. More common bukan, most common juga bukan, karena kalau pakai most itu mestinya ada the di depan. Number three, something in Stephen's landscape, the more vitality and character depends. Oke, kalau dia pakai the more di kalimat ini, berarti sebelumnya harusnya er. Oke, berarti kita hilangkan yang bukan. Ini bukan. Terus yang ini juga bukan. Tinggal be dengan D. Let's see the loser. Tuh. Ini ada kata kerjanya tidak ya? More validated and consider paintings. Oh ya, same. Okay. We decided the number three is D. Yay. Okay, what about number four to number 10? We still have many time. We have much time, much minutes. Number four, certain types of snake have been known to survive fast more as a year long. Which one? Jenis ular tertentu have been known, tidak ada, dikenal to survive. I guess so. What about another one? Selain Mr. Lukman. Apa lagi? Certain types of snake. Yes, saya rasanya juga di situ. To survive fast. More, more, more apa begitu ya? Alright. Mestinya sesuatu terjadi di sini. More what? Number 5. Kita pakainya deh. Number 5, the grizzly bear, which can grow up to 8 feet tall, has been called. I also think yeah, we should not, and we didn't need called a more dangerous enemy. What about number 6? Climate, soil type, and availability of water. Oh ya, nggak apa-apa, B. Ya, aman. Are the most critical factors than the most critical factor. Yeah, is it C? Number 7, Peter Abelard, a logician and theologian, was the controversialist. Really? I don't think so. Is it D or C? I guess is it C. Kayaknya nomor 7 ini C, karena kan kalau yang IS itu kayak pretty ya. Yang IS long gas. Apalagi ya yang pakai yang pendek-pendek. Mestinya seperti itu. Jadi nggak kalau kalau ini kontroversial sudah panjang, mestinya the most controversial, bukan the controversialist. Okay, let's number 8. Number 8, protein molecules are the most complex than the molecules of the carbohydrate. Yeah, are the most complex than. Oh, I got it. Is it? Must be C. Kalau yang dibandingkan itu sama nggak Miss Teacher sama his age? Nggak sama teacher orang. His age itu apa ya? Bukan, is not, it's also noun, sama-sama noun, tapi kan bukan orang. Dia nominal angka. So we cannot compare that. Of his age itu of, jadinya preposition, objeknya preposition, dan dia of ini kan temennya itu. Of in sama that itu temennya superlatif. Jadi nggak kenapa-kenapa dia di belakang itu. Ini yang nomor 8, itu yang diganti adalah si, karena kalau si the most itu temannya bukan then. The most itu temannya of, on, atau that. Jadi then itu boleh ganti that, boleh ganti of, kayak gitu. Number 9, the leaky member of the lily family has a mild taste, mildest. Okay. And the onion. Okay, is it B or C? What about you, Miss and Mister? Has the leaky member of the lily family has no mentos. What about you, Miss and Mister? Yang nomor 9. Ya, nomor berarti D juga salah, Miss. 8 Kan 1 dibanding 1 protein karbohidrat. Maksudku, nomor 8. The most complex. uh, oh iya, boleh. Iya, bener. Nomor 8 B. Oke, kita mau. Nomor 8 B, benar, Mister. B karena cuma satu. Ya, karena dia satu-satu. Oke, mantap. The protein molecules are more complex. Jadi kalau ini gantinya more complex, B yang salah, berarti dan C-nya aman. Kalau yang ini salah, C-nya aman, aman-aman aja. Terus apa lagi ya? Nomor nomor 9, Mister. What about number 9? I'm a little bit confused for number 9. Nomor 9. Ada yang mau berbagi bareng-bareng the league. The league has a. Okay. I guess so. Number 9 also B. What about you? Ya, jadinya more. Mildest taste. Ya, kayaknya memang harus di situ ya, Mister. Karena elik ini satu, eliknya si bunga sama si bawang. Number 10, the last one, the last part. The widely used natural fiber of all is cotton. Eh? The widely used natural fiber of all is cotton. Aduh, ya, kira-kira di komparatifnya masuk di mana ya, Mister? Bagusnya the will they use natural fiber. Hmm, more used of. Tapi yang nggak tahu benernya gimana ya. Oke. Uh, yes, it can be. Though, tapi kalau more pakai cuma ada off di sini. The widest used natural fiber of all is cotton. Oh, right. I'm not sure about this one. What about another parents? Mr. Uus, Mr. Randy, Mr. Eddie. Number 10. Do you have an idea? Fiber, it's not ER. Uh, I guess it's all of. All right, I'm not sure. What about another one? Widely used natural, no? I'm not sure about this one, but I think the first one we must be change is antara A dan mungkin ditambahin di bagian used-nya. So, but first one, I'm not sure about it. If you have, you may tell us. The widely used natural fiber, of course. What about Mr. Okay, I would like to invite Mr. Who else? Selain Mr. Lukman, ada lagi yang nomor 10. Yes, I guess is it A. Kita pindahnya A aja, Mister ya. penggunaan natural fiber paling banyak adalah di cotton, kayak gitu. Jadi widely. Kita jadikan paling the widest. Penggunaan paling banyak, paling dipakai di cotton. That's all. That's all about our topic today. Nanti lagi lanjutannya tomorrow. Okay,